Part 15, Business Services and Introduction. Commerce is consist of trade with auxiliary services. Auxiliaries or aids to trade refer to the activities related to the buying and selling of goods and services. These auxiliaries to trade are also known as business services or facilities. These services are essential and indispensable for the smooth flow of trade and industry. The example of business services are banking, insurance, transport, warehousing, advertisement, and communication. Business services is a general term that describes work that support a business but does not produce a tangible commodity. A good business service aligns IT assets with the needs of a company's employees and customers and support business goals, facilitating the ability of the company to be profitable. Business service is a general term that describes work that supports a business but does not produce a tangible commodity. Information technology or IT is an important business service that supports many other business services such as procurement, shipping, and finance. A good services align it assets. A good business service allies IT assets with the needs of a company's employees and customers and support business goals, facilitating the ability of the companies to be a profitable. Business services are referred to as the activities that assist business. It does not deliver a tangible commodity. For instance, information technology is one such business services that support various other business service such as most of the business today are inclined towards such specialized business services. India is growing extremely competitive and giving a tough competition to other countries when it comes to providing services. A large number of foreign countries prefer India as their hosting partner for business services. Sometimes they even prefer to open a branch fees. As per the textbook introduction, importance of services are increasing in an economy. There is a rise in the facilities and convenience due to services like banking, insurance, postal, storage, transportation, etc. These services are just not helpful in business as a part of commerce, but they extend to facilitate industries, agriculture, and other business activities. Services like banking, insurance, postal, storage, and transportation have undergone so much of changes that they just do not only work as business services but also as social and family related services. In modern age, there are varieties and specialities seen in such services. All these institutions have become naturally independent. In this introduction part, we are going to study about what do you mean by business service. Business service means it's a part of trade and commerce. Trade means exchanging of goods and services. Commerce means trade with auxiliary services. This auxiliary service or commerce will help to trade related activities. These auxiliary services include banking, insurance, postal, storage, and transportation, etc. These all services helpful in business and it will give and it make convenience and more facilities in the way of exchanging goods and services. In this chapter, we can study about various type of business services: insurance, postal services, godown or warehouses, transportation services, etc.